Is yelling considered verbal abuse? Have you ever wondered if yelling can cross the line into verbal abuse? This is an important question, especially in the context of divorce and separation. Yelling can be a common reaction when emotions are high, but it is essential to understand its implications. Verbal abuse is generally defined as using words, tone, or language to control or harm someone emotionally. Yelling can fall into this category, particularly when it becomes a pattern. If yelling happens occasionally in response to a specific situation, it may not be considered abusive. However, if it becomes a regular way of communicating, it can be harmful. In relationships, especially during divorce or separation, repeated yelling can create a hostile environment. This makes it difficult for both partners to communicate effectively. When yelling is used to intimidate or belittle, it is widely recognized as verbal abuse. This behavior can have serious consequences, not just emotionally but also legally. Family law professionals often look at the frequency and intent behind yelling during divorce proceedings. If yelling is part of a broader pattern of emotional harm, it can impact decisions regarding child custody or protection orders. Courts take these behaviors seriously, as they can affect the well-being of all involved. If you are experiencing yelling or other forms of verbal abuse, there are practical steps you can take. Seeking legal advice can help you understand your rights. Documenting incidents of yelling can be useful in legal situations. You might also consider protective measures, such as restraining orders if necessary. Support from counselors or therapists can be beneficial in coping with the emotional impact of verbal abuse. These professionals can help you process your feelings and develop strategies for moving forward. Understanding terms like verbal abuse and restraining orders can empower you to navigate the challenges of divorce and separation. While not all yelling is abusive, repeated yelling aimed at controlling or harming a partner is recognized as such. Identifying this pattern is the first step towards seeking help and protecting your well-being.